What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Catboy from PJ Masks. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the eyes. We'll start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing with that same curve. Now going back to the side, we're going to draw a half circle. From the outside, we're going to go all the way up towards the top of the eye, come around and then down towards the inside. We're going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle that goes up, come around and in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to trace the eye along the inside. So drawing a smaller circle, tucking this in. Do the same thing on the right. And then along the top of the pupils, draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now with the eyes complete, we're going to move to the center, step down and add a curve for the nose, coming down, then up, step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's move back down and draw the mouth. On the left, curve is down and then up. Now add a bracket on the ends. Now we're going to go back up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows, starting back on the left, follow the curve, coming in, do the same thing on the right. Now on the inside, I'm just going to angle this up and in. Follow that curve going around and then taper out towards a point on the end. Now with the face complete, we're going to move to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out. We're going to come down, round out the chin, go across, and then bend that up. Let's go back to left side. We're going to bump the head going up, round out the head, come in towards the middle, across, and then down on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw the edge of the mask. In between the eye and the nose, let's add another curve going across. On the left side, we're going to bend this out and then down. Angle this up towards the side. And then from here, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the bottom of the head. Let's add the ears along the top. Starting on the left, bend this up and then out. I'm going to line that up on the right. Round out the ear, come down and in towards the side of the head. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. Let's add those stripes coming down the center of the head. Starting over on the left, bend this down and in towards the middle. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now I add two lightning bolts along the side. Stepping over, angle this down and in, go up and then down. Now let's trace this along the outside, going out, in, and then up. Let's add two marks along the side of the head, bend this down towards the eye, and bend that back out. We're going to step down and draw that again, coming in and then out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. And then from the hips, we're going to draw another lightning bolt. Angle this down, go up and then in. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's trace the top, going up, down, and then out. Let's add another bolt. Stepping up, so trace this coming in, and trace the outside. Let's add that logo in the center. We're going to start with a curve across the top center, bend this up, curve this around towards the side, and then bend this down and in towards the center point. Let's add the eyes. Curve the top, round up the bottom, and then in the center, we're going to draw a small upside down triangle, and then the line coming down the center. Now let's go back to the center of the body. We're going to move down and draw a curve going across the legs. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and back up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and curve the foot, going up and then bending this down, aiming towards the heel, and we want to leave a gap along the inside. And then we're going to go back up to the hip, draw the outside leg, bend this out and then down on top of the feet. We're going to add a toe cap along the outside of the foot, bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Now let's add those stripes across the leg. Starting from the hip, we're going to go up and then down. And then just thicken this up across the bottom. Let's add another one. From the outside, we're going to go up, down, and up towards the inside of the legs. And then we're just going to trace this underneath. Now that we complete the legs, we move back up to the top and draw in the arms. And we want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend this up around that bracket, step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to start on the side, blend this into the arm, go up, and then tuck that in underneath the head. We'll continue to add some more stripes across the arms, starting from the top, bend this down, and then taper that back out. Let's leave a gap and draw it again, going a little bit longer. Let's add a couple more. Leave a gap and draw one small one across the wrist. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And now we want to finish off by bringing the tail coming off on the left side. So we start from the hip, bend this around the hand, curl that up, round up the tip of the tail, and follow that curve coming back in towards the leg. Let's add that stripe across the tail, starting from the end. We go up and then down. Let's trace along the inside, and we'll continue up towards the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Catboy from PJ Masks. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.